Welcome. In this video I want to show you 5 camera tips for Motorola Moto Edge 30 Pro. So the first, if you want to take photos, you can make it for sure with your shutter, but also you can tap on the power on the volume up or down button when you hold your phone like that, but also you can get it in the capture settings and you can use the option called tap anywhere to capture. So when you hold your phone, for example, like that, with one hand and you cannot reach the bottom shutter, you can just simply click on the screen and the photo will be also taken, as you can see. Another option, if you want to change the brightness level on the photo, you don't have to go right here for the Pro mode and change the exposure compensation, ISO or shutter speed. You can make it straight in the photo and the video mode. Take a look. Oh, but at the first we have to get rid of this tap anywhere to capture option. And right now when you tap on the screen, we can decrease or increase the brightness level. It works the same in the video mode. Take a look. To get automatically brightness, double tap on the screen. Okay, right now, if you want to use the cool feature called the spot color, you have to go for the more modes. Pick the spot color, move this pointer, for example, on this one, and then adjust this trend right here with this slider and take a look. As you can see, we easily get rid of all the colors, and what is very useful that it also works on the video mode. So when you focus on this one more time, start recording, and we can change the color while recording, so we can go for the yellow, for example. Okay, and if you want to take the tripod photos, the timer will be useful for you, so you have to open the screen like that and then pick 3 or 10 seconds. Yeah, it's right here. So let's pick 3 seconds, for example. Put your phone on the tripod, tap on the shutter, go around, smile, and as you can see, the photo was taken. And the last option that we can use, it will be definitely the dual capture. So we can find it right here, and then you are able to record the video from the 2 cameras at the same time. You can use 2 rear cameras, but you can also switch to the selfie camera by tapping right here, and you can also change the theme. So you can get picture in the picture or just split your screen. And that's all. So that's my 5 tips for the Motorola Edge 30 Pro. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.